Hi everyone, my name is Shar and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about the Luxe Skin $59 at-home laser hair removal. You might have seen these on Facebook ads. I've been seeing them and sometimes it's hard to know, are the reviews real? So I bought it to test it and I'm gonna let you know what my thoughts are. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and leave me a comment down below. The packaging is pretty simple. Everything you need comes inside this box. When you first open the box, you'll find the product guarantee and the user manual. Next, you'll find the cord and plug-in, and then the laser hair removal unit itself. Once you plug everything in, it's all good to go. Before shaving, I always exfoliate with this body brush from Sephora. It helps to pull the hair away from the body so that I can get a closer shave. You need to shave before using laser hair removal. Okay, I just finished my shower. I shaved my legs. I also washed my hair, so obviously. Right off the bat, I don't mind that this is corded, but I do wish it was a little longer because I mean, if you're doing this, it's going to take a while. And so I'm sitting here ready to watch some Netflix, but you also have to be close to an outlet. So I feel like it's going to be a little tough. Like I'm gonna have to get as close as possible to the wall in order to be able to use it. So it does make it a little bit more awkward, but it's $60. So as long as it does the job, I'm going to be amazed. Okay, so now that it's plugged in, it does say that there will be a green flashing light. So it says to press it once to turn it on, just quickly. Oh, here. Press it once quickly to turn it on. I mean, I think it's on. I don't think it's on. It says do not hold the power button, just press once. Oh, this is the power button. This is the zapper. Okay. Nope. It doesn't tell you which one is the power button and which one's the zapper. Okay, it says the power button. The power button is the one that's flashing green. So you press it once. Now it's on. So you can keep pressing it to increase the level of intensity, but it does recommend starting from just one, and that's what I'm going to do. I mean, I can tolerate pain, but I don't enjoy it. Then it says to place the device flat against your skin and press the big button on the front to zap. So I have moisturized just to be able to glide it more smoothly. It says zap once and move around the area, making sure you're not missing any spots. So I'm gonna try to do this as thoroughly as possible. I have a Netflix show ready to go to like pass the time, but I'm gonna test to see first which level I should have it on. Okay. Oh, it shows you level 1. I don't know if you guys can see that. Yeah. So like if I kept pressing this button, yeah, see it goes up. I don't want that. I'm going to level 1. Let's try this out. Okay. I don't feel anything. I'm gonna try level 2. Okay. Let's see. I mean, it feels warmer, but definitely not anything. Okay, let's try level 3. Oh, okay, yeah, I kind of do feel that. You know what, I'm gonna leave it at... No, you know what, I'm gonna try it. Let's do level 4. Oh, yeah, I feel that. Okay, all right, 3's my max. It's funny because it like, you don't feel it immediately, and then it's after. Okay, all right. Yeah, because that just feels warm to me. I'm okay with that. And I'm just gonna like slowly work my way up. It does say you don't need to wear sunglasses with it. I don't know. I probably should be wearing them. Like when I've gone to get laser hair removal done before, the technician is always wearing sunglasses and they always give me sunglasses to wear. So it seems a little strange to me that you wouldn't need them for this, but I probably shouldn't be looking right at it. Okay, I'm gonna keep going at level 3 all over my legs, but I'm gonna speed this up and just watch some Netflix. Wait, oh, there we go. All right, here we go, Netflix. First impressions. So I have been to a salon for laser hair removal. This feels pretty much exactly the same, except that you can control the intensity. I would say that in the salon, I usually feel the intensity at about a 4 in this, but I ended up reducing this to a 2, so it might not be as effective, but I'm not sure. I also know that your skin tone and your hair color have a lot to do with the effectiveness. So because I have very fair skin and a very dark hair, laser hair removal in general just works really well on me. So I am interested to see if this does work the same as treatment in a salon. So I am going to continue to use this. Let me know in the comments down below if you would like me to give a 4-week update, 8-week update, 12-week update, and let you know what I think of it. Is it worth it? Because at the end of the day, if it does work, it's only $60, which is pretty good for at-home hair removal. The only thing I don't like, so I don't mind that it's corded. I do wish that the cord was longer, and I did notice that sometimes it needed to pause just to like regenerate itself, but it was never for very long. Anyway, let me know what you think in the comments. Thank you for watching.